Hey everyone, and welcome to this video on how to become a certified AI specialized real estate broker. In this video, I will quickly run you through the different steps in order to get your real estate AI certification. And I will also run you through the benefits of having this AI certification. On our website, completeaitraining.com, we have AI training for over 220 jobs, including certifications for these. So if you feel like checking it out, please do. Yes, let me quickly run you through the different benefits of being a certified AI specialized real estate broker. So basically, the certified status itself already gives you a lot of benefits these days. Besides that, by knowing AI, you will save a lot of time. You will basically show the world that you're future-proofing your skills, which increases your job opportunities and also your salary opportunities. On average, we see that there's like a 30% increase in salary for people that know AI. And we also see that people that know AI are pretty much always hired opposed to people that don't know AI, because the AI developments are basically, with all the AI developments that are going on right now, you practically hear it on the news, you hear it everywhere. The opportunities for you are basically endless, if you will. So this certification prepares you for your career growth and also will make your life a lot easier, because if you use AI as your ideal assistant, if you will, you will basically become so much more productive and efficient, and this will help you a lot. So on our website, we got this course, it's the brokers. If you run through the different video courses and the different courses, you are basically preparing yourself for the certification. So the video courses basically bring you from a basic or non-existent AI user to an advanced AI user. Especially this one, from beginner to professional. We run through the different AI platforms here. Also show you the office tools, the graphical tools you can use, data analytics tools that can be useful for you, also as a real estate broker. So all these video courses basically prepare you for their certification. Then the prompt courses show you all of the things you can do with AI as a real estate broker. So we advise you to run through this, trial and error with them. And once you're done with that, you can basically apply for your certification today. So there's this little sign-up form that you're being redirected to, that you can fill in. And then the rest of the process I will explain from this little chart. So you apply for the certification. We will do an eligibility check. If you are a subscriber of Complete AI Training, which is $99 a year, you get one subscription for free. If you're not a subscriber, the certification is also $99 a year. So basically you get the certification for free. And then if you want to do more than one certification as a subscriber, we give you a 20% discount, so $79 for any other certification, since we have a whole bunch of certifications on our website. So the marketing one is also useful as a real estate broker. And basically you can find anything here, all the certifications that we have available in all the different job categories. So once you're eligible, we will send you the certification, the exam, we will send it to you. The exam consists of 20 to 30 theoretical questions and 4 to 8 practical long-form questions to show that you have real-world experience with AI in the real estate market. So the number of these questions is variable because the test is variable, so it's not copyable. And after you've done with the exam, that you can do at your own pace, though we advise to do it within a couple of weeks. We will do a manual review of your exam, and then you either pass and you will get the certificate and the diploma, or you will fail and we will give you extensive feedback on what to take care of, what to learn, etc., etc. Do have to say that once you fail, you can apply for a new certification, but this is at the similar $79 cost if you are a subscriber and $99 if you're not. Because this is a full manual process, so both the test and the review are done manually. So technically, it's already a bargain to get it for this very affordable price. So yeah, so far the quick description of all you need to know in order to become a certified real estate AI broker. On this page, you will also find the FAQ section, and you will find all the details here. So head on over to certifications. You can find the Real Estate Broker site or use the search function. So here you also got the page that you're looking for. If you're interested to sign up for Complete AI Training, go to completeaitraining.com. Normally on the top, if you're not logged in, as I am now, there's a sign up button. So you can sign up directly there. Have a look on this page. We have over 220 different training programs for AI in 220 different jobs. So I hope to see you soon on this website, and I hope to see you soon as a certified real estate broker. Okay, have a wonderful day. Thanks.